thought it was made in America. Bruder? Bruder? Bruder. I don't know how to say it.
That's Bruder. That's a pretty good tractor you got there. Huh. Yeah, they're like the best, you know. That's very detailed. Yeah. Looks pretty good. I gotta say. Huh.
Open the box.
These things are incredibly detailed. My only complaint about some of them is they have a kind of handle attachment, so, well, because they're toys, right? So kids can play with them. But if you want to pose them for photos and stuff, if you have little attachments and things that are not super realistic on them, I guess you just have to use a Dremel to cut them off. Plow attachment, it goes up and down. Now let's take our generic everyman and let's see how he fits in the cabin. This is 1/16 scale. It's a little bit bigger than the Mattel scale, but you can hardly notice. You can hardly see it as well with the lighting here, but it fits in there pretty well, right? These things even, these controls also move up and down, which is amazing.
Amazing. Amazing.
But yeah, look at that. He fits in there pretty good. Oh my god. Back here, the compartment comes up back here. You can do maintenance on your excavator. Yeah, this is an excavator. Obviously, well, if you don't know what an excavator is, you use this arm here to excavate things. Now, what I think is, I think this would be a great weapon to fight a T-Rex. For example. Yeah.
Pretty good Bruder.